Hey guys, it's zaidGT with another tutorial. I'm here to represent my new clan. Well, it's gonna be new once everything is completely set up. I would like to give a shout out to my first member zaidGT and my honorary member Mode. They need some help, and what my job is to help my team members. So Mode wants to know something about the brush tool because he's a line user. He says he's not very good, so I give him a suggestion that the line tool is a bit too complicated and too tedious, so he should use the brush tool. I'm going to show him how to do that. So what you would do is you would obviously create a base and then some guidelines. Well, first the guidelines have to be supported by a character. So you have to have it at the highest thickness and just sketch out the height and the legs of the character. And then what you would do is you would sort of take the lines and just like match it up with the height of the torso and the legs. And when I have the magnet tool on, just 1 second. And you just obviously remove your base. And just like lock it, like the floor and the base there. What you do is like you make one layer for your character. Character here. And one layer for your head. The circle tool. So yeah, you got your character. Now what you do for your weapon is that I usually have one layer on the bottom and another layer on the top. And I would like to thank Mode for putting his weapon as a download, because now I've got right here. As you can see, that's his wheel sword. Now what you would do is you would go into the next thing and drag the symbol in, so you don't have to do like entire copy pasting. Shrink it. You do it perfectly. You have to hold shift. And just rotate it any way you want. and you have your character. Now for the brush tool, what you would do is you like start out obviously with just a base like that, and I usually just do object drawing, so sorry that I didn't do it with object. And then like you would just like every time you animate, well first before I start out you just make it flow, but like once you get to a running stage, what you have to do is keep deleting the character and repaint it. The progress is actually more simpler than most people make it seem, because like basically I can delete your character and redraw it and all that stuff. Sounds annoying to a few people, but the end result is worth it. I mean, I did many animations like that. Like, 1 second. Yeah, I'm not finding it. 1 second. Yeah, this little animation here. This one was basically meant for parkour. I basically did the erase and redraw technique, and well, it did so well that it sort of flowed. I don't know if you want to see the full thing along with the V-cam. This is what it looks like. So yeah, that's that. So if you can understand that, then I guess you're good. Then yeah. Next we should be talking about motion tweens. So I'm gonna get that set up. Next tutorial I'm gonna be legit, but in this tutorial I only have 2 minutes left. So basically, like, in short, for a motion tween is like you have that object and you like press F5. Like on the timeline, say convert to motion tween. Now what motion tween does is that wherever you move your object, you're gonna see this little line. This line represents the motion, so it'll basically start animating itself without the keyframes. What makes this hard is that it makes it tough for it to curve, so like you have to do that yourself. So like you want it to go up at that point, and then like make it just go up that too. Just make it be weird. You basically have to do all that crap yourself. I mean, like, you can see the line is starting to do that weird stuff. But in the end, the result will end up being that it's just going to move on its own, which can sometimes get annoying. So yeah, this is what we have here. Anyway, that's it, and I hope this helps my memories of Renegade.